Hey everyone. Today we're going to be learning about how to smell something from a distance. So today we have a couple of materials that we're going to be using. Our first material is menthol. Menthol is a small crystal that it smells like mint. So we're going to be seeing how we can smell it, how far away we can smell it from, and stuff like that. I'm going to be pouring some menthol into this cup so you can see what it looks like. You can see they're small little crystals. They sound like they're kind of clinging together a little bit. So let me put my bag back over here. We're gonna see how far away we can smell these from. Our other equipment that we're gonna be using is a hot plate. So this is like a little stove. We're gonna be using that later. And then I have this beaker here. So this is a glass beaker. We'll be using that in a little bit. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave my menthol right on the desk here, and I'm gonna walk back to see if I can smell it from further away. So I'm all the way back here, can't really smell anything, no menthol, so I'm gonna keep walking a little closer. So now that I'm a little bit closer, still can't smell any menthol. I'm gonna keep getting closer and closer. So I'm pretty close now. I can start to smell it a little bit. I can definitely smell it when I put it right up to my nose. Smells nice and minty. Why do you think I was able to smell menthol when I was close, but when I got far away, I couldn't smell it at all? Why do you think that is? All right, now that you've had some time to think about that, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move my menthol to my my glass container here. Now I have my menthol here. How do you think I can get my menthol? How do you think I can be able to smell my menthol from way further back? What would I have to do in order to smell menthol from further away? Think about at home. Are there any things that you can smell when you're far away? And what are those? Why do you think you can smell them? Okay. Now that we've done that, I'm going to take my hot plate again, like it's like a mini stove. I got to move some things around. My desk has a lot of things on it. So now I'm going to put my menthol on the hot plate. What do you think is going to happen to the menthol as it's on the hot plate? So it's on off now. Now I'm going to turn it up to high. So what do you think is going to happen to the menthol? Is anything going to change? Let's watch and find out. I also have my special glove. This glove protects me from the heat. So if I touch something that's hot, I don't really feel it in this because I don't want to burn myself. So, starting to notice some changes. In your notebooks, it'd be a good idea to write this down. Any observations? Pick it up for a minute. So you can see, what are you noticing here? What's changing about the menthol? Starting to see something. Not sure if you can see on the camera. But what state of matter has it changed from? So what was it before? What is it now? What do you think it's going to turn into if I keep it on the hot plate? Oh, if you look closely, right around this area here, what can you see? can see a lot of it in the container. Now I'm going to go further back and see how far away I can smell the menthol. So now I'm all the way back here. Write in the chat if you think I can smell the menthol right now. I can smell the menthol from all the way back here. Now as I get closer, it's getting strong. The smell is getting stronger and stronger. And when I'm really close, I can smell all the menthol. It's like I can smell it really strong. I'm going to go ahead and shut my plate off now so this can start to cool off. But why do you think I was able to smell the menthol further away than when I could smell it right now? Or sorry, why do you think I could smell it further away when I heated it up than when it was just regular menthol, like regular menthol that's just in the bag? Why can't I smell this far away? Why can I smell this from far away?